Seeing indexing in progress on your iPhone after updating to iOS 27 and wondering why it won't go away? Don't worry. Here's what it means, why it happens, and how to get rid of it. After installing the iOS 27 beta, your iPhone starts a background process called indexing. During this process, it reorganizes and analyzes your photos, messages, contacts, files, and other data to improve features like Siri, Spotlight Search, Apple Intelligence, and overall search results. While indexing is running, you may notice your battery draining faster than usual, your iPhone feeling warmer, slower Siri responses, laggy Spotlight or photo searches, or even some general performance slowdowns. The good news is that this is completely normal and only temporary. Once indexing is finished, your iPhone should return to normal performance. To help the process complete faster, keep your iPhone connected to a charger whenever possible, especially overnight. It's also a good idea to stay connected to a stable Wi-Fi network so background tasks can finish efficiently. If you have a lot of data stored on your device, indexing may take longer. Removing duplicate photos, deleting large files, or clearing out old messages can sometimes help speed things up. If the indexing message seems stuck for several days, try restarting your iPhone. On newer iPhones, quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For most users, indexing is completed within a few hours to about 10 days, depending on how much data is stored on the device. Once indexing is complete, the message will disappear automatically and your iPhone should be running normally again. Thanks!